NIO stock is back in the spotlight, and this time it's not just hype. Community chatter is heating up about potential short squeezes, rising deliveries, and new models that could redefine the company's future. The buzz started with the Onvo L90, a family focused SUV positioned against Li Auto's lineup. Early reports of strong demand and even sold out batches fueled optimism, but then NIO turned up the heat with a second major launch. On August 21st, NIO unveiled the new ES8. And here's the kicker, it's one of their most affordable electric SUVs yet. Priced at just 308,800 yuan, or about $43,000 under a battery subscription plan, the ES8 allows buyers to swap or upgrade their batteries with simple monthly payments. The market loved it. NIO's US shares jumped over 9% to close at $5.54, and Hong Kong shares surged as much as 10% the next morning. Analysts say the aggressive pricing, well below the typical 338 to 768,000 yuan for premium SUVs, could drive serious demand. Morningstar's Vincent even told CNBC the rally reflects strong expectations for both the ES8 and the Onvo L90. Together, they signal a major shift for NIO, which until now focused mainly on high end buyers. NIO is now expanding its strategy with three brands: Onvo for the mass market, Firefly aimed at younger buyers, and NIO itself for the premium segment. It's a bold move designed to take on rivals like BYD, Li Auto, Xpeng, and even newcomers like Xiaomi. But it hasn't been smooth sailing. NIO's July deliveries fell to just over 21,000 vehicles, down from nearly 25,000 in June, while rivals like Xpeng, Leapmotor, and Ado reported growth. Add in domestic price wars, EU scrutiny, and export challenges, and NIO still has plenty of hurdles ahead. Still, bulls believe this could be an inflection point. With innovative battery swap tech, competitive pricing, and a refreshed lineup, NIO has the tools to mount a comeback. The question is, will it finally deliver consistent growth and profitability? So, what do you think? Is NIO about to flip the script and rally higher? Or is this just another short lived spike in a crowded EV market? Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more stock deep dives.
Okay, so this is the pre-market session, if not, maybe, yeah, pre-market session of Monday the 25th. The stock has changed slightly in the post-market session. Yeah, not a lot has really gone on. Has really gone on. So this is the 4-hour chart. The extrapolation is saying that higher prices will continue to print up till Wednesday the 28th midday. And then in terms of projections, what do we have? We have 5.24. It's a downward projection, but we may have higher prices. Let's see, 6.99 intraday in that in Friday's Friday's post market session or regular session, one of those. Yeah, let's see what we have here. We may have had previous prices 6.77. Here we have 6.99. Yeah, okay. 6.99. Let's see. So it's 7.7. Okay. But in any case, let's have a look at the 4 hour. The price pressure momentum, strongly bullish. Nothing here is weak at all. Nothing here is weak. But it's indicating that maybe this may not be the best time to start buying the stock. May not be the best time to start buying the stock. You can see here it's the stock is in a very strong trend mode. Yeah, if anything, if you're going to get involved, you have to make sure you don't put a lot of money in it so that you'll be able to react, or you don't get uh, badly burnt if it gets a rejection. So let's see what we have here. Okay, we're not going to read a lot of meaning into the extrapolation, but in any case, we can take the projections. We have here 6.20, 6.9, 7.33. Let's see. Okay, let's have a look and see whether this is where this compares to its previous projections, previous prices. Let's have a look at the weekly chart. Okay, yeah, so this is the weekly chart. Okay, so 6.28. So here we can try and do a rough, I mean, do an estimation, a rough estimation of the probabilities. So our targets, for instance, let's see now. Let's take a target of 8.14. Okay. So we'll be going back to use early January data, early January to late December 2020, early January 2024, and late December 2023 as that in terms of its data. So let's see, 8.05. So this is the moving average panel. So if the moving average is greater than our target, then we have a probability that is more than 50% that that target will print. So we have 8.55. So let's test it. 8.55. Let's see. Okay, so the moving average says 7.83. So we have less than 50%. So, but also note that we have four moving averages there. So we're just considering only the 10-week moving average. But if you also look sideways, you can see all the other moving averages are greater than 8.05. In other words, if you want to consider those, then you can see that if you want to accumulate all of those, you can see that, yeah, actually there is a decent probability that even 8.14 can print. So yeah, let's have a look. 8.05, yeah. Just based on its 10-week moving average, that probability is less than 50%. But if based on the other moving averages, it's clearly more than 50%. So in other words, it's saying that over the long run, 8.05 is a probability. There's a very healthy chance that the stock can retest 8.05. We slide again. Yeah, you can see that as well. Yeah, it's now improving for all of them. Yeah, for all of them, it has been improved. For all of them, it has improved. Yeah. So this is going all the way back. Obviously, then the stock was trading higher prices. You can see that, yes, the stock was trading at higher prices. So the moving averages are looking good. Yeah. This is we're not talking about April of data as of April of 2023. So over the long run, yes, the probability of it printing 8.05 is there. Yeah. So yeah, just let's see. The stock is currently trending now, and I'll continue to update you. Let's see what's going on. Whether people are they're not trading the stock at the moment. They're not trading it. It's not active as such, but it's just getting this. It's drawing a lot of chatter. Okay, so I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.